Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie. How are you doing today? I actually filmed a video earlier about this look and it's been several hours, so I'm not looking too fabulous right now, but spring is sprung and the snow melt off reveals how intensely bad my yard is looking right now. My dogs get into everything and they've torn up an archery cushion and their old dog pool, so I've got my work cut out for me. But unfortunately I can't do a whole lot of it right now because my whole backyard is a big mud pit. Well, not all of it, but a good lot of it. So instead, I'm going to work in my front yard, which actually is looking pretty good. So anyways, that is one of the reasons that I have not been posting as much recently, is I've been just trying to get everything kind of in order. And oh my God, I am looking sexy. Anyways, if you want to see what I really want to do today and have planned out to do, stay tuned and check it out. Okay, so obviously my front yard's in much better condition than my backyard was. But see those planters down there? There's a nasty paper wasp nest that I need to make sure comes down. And we've got daffodils coming up. And we're going to be mowing soon. We just got a push mower, so we get our exercise pretty good. Well, I say we. My husband usually does the majority of it. I try and help tag team, but I think secretly he enjoys it, but then he complains about it, so. Anyways, we're going to put those babies in that baby. So, yes, get our hands dirty a little bit. That one's just minor, so, but in the spring, at least, just the slightest bit of color makes you feel like, yes, summer's coming. Ah. Mixing in some old stuff for good luck.
Touch from a warm wind is blowing in, is keeping me safe. I don't know for how long I can carry on, pretending that everything's alright, and that we will be fine in the end. In the end. In
Aren't they lovely? And there's George. Anyway, so we get these pansies from our local farm, Four Corners Farm, up the road here in Newberry. And they use these awesome biodegradable containers. And since this is such a small planting area, I can't really put them in there because they don't fit. But what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put some new soil in there and put some seeds in there and put them out on my back deck where they can get some sun and grow some new seeds and reuse them. And then I can plant them in the ground and they'll biodegrade and they'll actually enrich the soil and the plants will come up better. Isn't that awesome?